Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to RoboThought Zero to Hero series, Python machine learning on the edge using Jetson Nano. Alright guys, we are on lesson number 51. I am going to show you scientific Python angle constant unit, right? We had seen a couple of other constant units in the previous lessons, and in this lesson we will see what is an angle constant unit for machine learning purpose. So what is an angle unit? So basically it's the degree, right? You measure the degree of a specific thing, right, in radians. So that is how it works. So within the unit constant unit, there is something called angle. So in that angle, the scientific Python will call in for say dot degree or dot arc or dot seconds per degree and kind of thing. So I'm going to show you some of those keywords which you can practice. Alright guys, let's get into Jetson Nano, and I am already logged into my IDE. Alright, so let's see what we have. Angle. So let's import our good friend scientific Python from SciPy scientific Python import constants. Okay, now within constants we need to look for different types of angles. So say print constants dot degree. Okay, degree is one of the unit for angle, right? And then print constants dot arc minimum. Okay, and then print constants dot arcminute. Okay, and then print constants.arcsecond. Okay, and let's move to the next one. Print constants.arcsecond, like this. Okay, now let's run this and see what value we get. Run Python file in terminal, right click, run Python file in terminal, and there you go guys. So we are getting the constant value for all the angle type like degree, arc minute, minimum minute, seconds and kind of thing. So these are all the different types of values. Guys, don't worry if you don't understand these values, because you will be learning more details in the upcoming lessons. When you get into practically doing stuff, you will understand, oh my god, yes, I know this method. Let me call in for constants.arcminute from the scientific Python. So you will recall all those. Just practice this what I am teaching you right now, and you will get along. We will get there. Alright guys, that's it for this lesson. I am going to be back soon. Until then, goodbye.